Twitter, our favorite thing on the World Wide Web since Naked News, is 5 years old now. But come to think of it, it's only been 5 years of 140 character gibberish. Only 5 years of making online stalking completely legit. I mean, the speed at which complete losers have achieved online stardom is absolutely mind-boggling. And of course, who can forget the valuable contribution that Twitter has made to the expansion of the English language vocabulary. It has introduced to us very valuable words such as facepalm and follow Friday, and who can forget fail wave. Okay, I'm not going to be mean to Twitter. It has actually changed our lives quite a bit. But the one thing that I'd like to give Twitter most credit for is teaching us how to cut a long story short. And that's exactly what we love doing on Tech Toys, cutting long, boring gadget reviews to small, short, crisp views that you can use. Which is why we've put together a roundup of the latest and the hottest gadgets from our tech labs.
With so many shiny, blingy gadgets blinding you sometimes with their glitter and at other times with their attitude, here are a few that promise to add color, shine and style to your life away from the ramp. Have your entire world shrunk into your iPhone? Well, let the superhero take care of it, and your superhero comes in the form of iOmega Backup and Charger for iPhone. You will need to download the superhero app from the App Store and install it. And get ready to back up all your data and charge your iPhone while you're at it. Initial backups may take quite a while, but later ones will only back up additional data that wasn't present the last time you performed a backup. Whoever said you can't have your cake and eat it too? Want to show some more attitude with your iPhone or your iPod? Dock it in the JBL On-Time iPod dock. And what an attitude this speaker set exudes. Great looks that scream elegance. Audio that clearly separates the bass from the mids. And controls so intuitive you will never need an instruction manual. JBL certainly makes a fashion statement with this alien space station looking iPod dock. And clearly, life is not all about iPhones and iPods. Connect any mobile phone or any Bluetooth-enabled device to this Creative D100 Bluetooth speakers. This little blue bundle of joy is as easy to use as it is pretty to look. And these magnanimous speakers also allow you to connect to non-Bluetooth-enabled devices. And with a price tag of 4,500 rupees, this should sound like some music to your ears. If this is the season for tablets, so it is of capsules. Looking good and sturdy, the Razer Ferox capsule speakers are a joy to see power up. These capsule speakers are beautifully designed, and a blue LED lighting all around it gives it an aesthetic appeal. And these speakers are pleasantly and surprisingly loud for their tiny size. With a carry case for easy portability, trust these speakers to add a powerful punch to your mobile gaming and music experience. And finally, a new TV has hit our laps this week. The Akai 32D20 HD Ready LED TV is a pretty nice looking TV with some pretty cool features. With a silver matte finish and a glass panel surrounding the bezel, it is a thin and light TV. But unlike other TVs, the menu buttons are at the back. This Akai TV comes with plenty of connectivity options and connects to flash drives and hard disks. Now before you think this to be a complete win, pay attention to the real deal. The colors look quite uneven and inaccurate, and the response of the backlight does not keep up with the scene change from dark to bright. And with the price as steep as 40,000 rupees, this beauty surely does not go beyond skin deep. You are better served by spending the same money on a Samsung 32-inch Full HD LED TV.
If you're an aspiring model, stay tuned, because after this short break, we're going to tell you a must-have gadget for all models. And no, it is not a blow dryer.